Hello all, Nicholas Latona here. Welcome to Small Engine Nerd. As before, all links to the kit are in the description below. You can leave a comment with questions or suggestions, and as always, like, share, and subscribe. I'm still awaiting my own CDI kit to fully cover a video of the viewpoint of a hands-on, first-hand, fresh experience that I can share with my audience. Until then, I have a bit more information on this kit itself. Looking at this picture, we see a GX200 clone on the bench. It looks to have a stage 1 kit installed, but right away, looking at where the pickup is located, there is only one lead instead of the two shown in my last video. This pickup is wired to the CDI unit sitting atop the tank here, which sends the fire signals to the capacitor, which has a red wire leading down to the spark plug. In the next picture, we get a clear view of the other side of the engine, this time mounted to a frame. Now, the CDI is mounted under the seat, away from the engine. The capacitor and the spark lead can much more clearly be seen. Also, you can tell there's a custom battery cell mounted above the engine. Now, something I touched on but did not clarify in my last video is in order to use this kit, you must provide an energy source. The kit will work with stock flywheels and electric start and recharge flywheels. In this regard, it should work with billet flywheels as well, though we have not tested this to confirm. There are many ways to go about energizing this kit, however. You can mount a lawnmower battery, you can get the dual coil set and recharge flywheel, a single coil recharge kit and a battery, or as simple as one of those power tool battery adapters. I did address this as a shortcoming of the CDI on a GY6, but did not explain that it was a requirement when put on the GX200 as well. I apologize for this, and am making an attempt to better clean up and organize my thoughts to give a better explanation in the future. Thank you to all who have supported us thus far, and thank you for watching. Lastly, again, I leave you with the video of the CDI kit running. Be sure to pay close attention to the sound on deceleration. As the fuel flow is cut from the main jet, the idle jet continues pumping gas. An off-time engine will sound like it's sputtering through initial decel, but this sounds more like a well-tuned engine popping and firing right on time.